May kukwento ko sa inyo tungkol sa a story about not giving up. No, kung meron man makakanood nito tapos nasa sitwasyon kayo ng trabaho, negosyo, o relationship na parang gusto niyo nang sukuan, hear me out on this. I'm in the business of honeybee, pure honey, for magte 10 years na ako next year. And for the past 9 years, I am more into business to business. And I'm bago lang ako dito sa live sellings, like around 4 months, 5 months. And for the past 9 years, yung first couple of years, it was really, really profitable. It's like talagang yung kita meron. And after 3 years or after 4 years, on the first 3 years, 4 years, so for the next 5 years, it was really struggling. Pero siguro baliw lang ako that I never gave up. So I tried email marketing, telemarketing, personal visit. I did a lot, kahit content. I did a lot. But one thing na nag-click, live selling. And totoo talaga yung sabi nila sa negosyo na you can try 10 times. So, sablay yung 9 pero kung yung pang 10th nag-click, talagang sabog ka. Sabog ang negosyo mo. Naniniwala ako na hindi pang lahat ang negosyo. Kasi hindi lahat may tolerance na gawin, maging baliw na parang katulad sa akin or any other business owners. Try lang ng try. Kahit paulit-ulit ka pero hindi nag-work, walang kita na pumapasok. Pero try ka pa rin ng try. Hanggat mag-click. Parang padlock yan eh. Alam mo yung sa may padlock sa safe. Hanggat mag-click, saka magbubukas yung safe. Ganun din sa negosyo. Guys, dito sa live selling, I'm so blessed na ang punto ko lang dito, men, if you are struggling right now, keep moving forward. Tinetest ka lang ng panahon. Siguro for the past 9 years, nagsawa na yung panahon sa akin na tinetesting ako. Siguro nagsawa na sila na sabi nila, pagbigyan na nga natin to. Ibang tao naman ang testingin natin. But because of that experience, because of that credibility, because of that 9 years, I do have the credibility to talk about this. And I do have the mindset na ano ba yung mga pagkakamali ko for the past 9 years, and everything was a story, after all. I have learned a lot of experiences. Pero ito lang ang punto ko. If you're struggling right now, keep on going. Keep on going. And a lot of people will not understand you. It's supposed to be a lot of people are not going to understand you. It's supposed to be like that. Because if a lot of people understands you, there's something wrong about it. Pag nag-click yan, men, you will congratulate yourself that you never gave up on yourself. I wish you all the best. God bless you.